Hi everyone, welcome back to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So let us look at two important charts in today's video. First, we look at US oil and then we look at Bitcoin. So when I look at US oil on the daily chart, the most important price in my opinion is $90 region. Breaking out of this zone has led to this massive move, and the first resistance on daily was at 120, which it has tested recently, and currently it's still a very bullish chart. So as long as oil stays bullish, there will be a lot of pressure on risk on assets, and they are likely to go down. And this move, I think, is majorly because of the US and Iran conflict. So if there is any bearishness in this chart, or if this chart starts correcting and loses this bullish structure, then that would mean that the conflict, in my opinion, is about to end. And then that would really mean bullish, or we can see a relief rally in a lot of risk on assets, in my opinion. So purely looking at the chart, these are the important ranges. So if you are trading this chart, if you're trading oil, then these are the important ranges that you should keep in mind. Again, we're looking at daily chart. So if you're trading, you can use the 4-hour, 1-hour chart, and you can find a lot of volatility on both sides to trade. But $90 region, in my opinion, is important. As long as that holds, the overall structure can be bullish for oil. 120 currently is a major resistance. If at all it breaks and flips this into support, then I see it going all the way to 147. But if 120 keeps rejecting, then I see a very big chance that it goes and retests this $90 region. And for any reason, if oil loses 90, only then I see it going all the way back down to $63 region. So this is an important range for oil, and it can be a good trading opportunity if you like to trade this. You can also trade it using my reference links, and there is some giveaway there. You can find it in the description. So these are important range for oil, and in my opinion, as long as oil is bullish, there will be uncertainty in the other markets. So, and this is purely because of the ongoing conflict. So if the conflict resolves, I think we can see that in this oil chart, and there will be a significant downwards move if that happens. If for some reason conflict escalates, then I see it breaking 120, and the next resistance in 147, and then we'll see what happens next. So this is oil. Now we quickly look at Bitcoin. Now again, I'm looking at a daily chart, and this, in my opinion, are current important price ranges. Okay, so for me, as long as Bitcoin is having daily closing below 71, it's still in consolidation, or it's still in a bearish trend on the daily. If Bitcoin can reclaim 71K on the daily, then I see a good move on the upside, where the first target would be 78K. And for some reason, if we reclaim 78K, we can also go and retest 87K. But as long as Bitcoin keeps consolidating below 71K, the first support, in my opinion, is 62K, which is a good demand zone. And for some reason, if we see a good flush of this, all these longs, then I see the next big support at 55K. So 55K and 62K are good zones where, and if Bitcoin goes there, then that can be a good zone to buy a spot bag or even long, depending on the macro environment. But if Bitcoin can break 71K for good, then I think that will be a good momentum trade, and the target would be 78K, and also 87K would be on sides. So these are important price ranges for Bitcoin for now. And again, we're looking at a daily chart. So as long as supports hold on daily, they are supports. So these two will be supports until proven otherwise. And currently these zones are acting as resistance until proven otherwise. So these are important price zones for Bitcoin as well as US oil. Please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm planning to make more videos. So let me know if you want me to make consistently more videos on YouTube and put it out there for you. Thank you very much. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.